Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, YouTube. If this is your first time stopping in, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. In today's plumbing adventure, we're going to put a water filter in for this gentleman. I got my number 2 man with me. What's your name?
God.
He's God. Anyway, stay tuned and we'll see you at the job. If you haven't subscribed, hit that. Hold on, let me get past this noisy, bumpy area. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell. And we'll see you at the job. Alright, so we're gonna take out 2 filters. I'm gonna turn the water off. We got a filter on a filter. So somewhere out of the way. Put it all back in. Awesome. Okay, now 5/8 wrench. Glasses. Pull back the pliers. Let's see what we got. Angelo, in my screw gun. Open the lid up. Bring the box in because I'm going to need a 1/4-inch drive. They got all kinds of speed screws in the cabinet here, and we'll be here forever if we don't do that. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Open that up, right? And then open the lid. You can see a little compartment there. Oh yeah. Do you see a 1/4-inch drive? Look, for a hex head. Let me see it. Next size down. This is 5/16. Is this it? I think so. Alright, listen. Oops. Put this in the screw gun. Okay. You should be able to pop that tip right out and just switch it, okay? Have to take all these screws out of here. Someone used a 3-inch ABS hanger. A 3-inch ABS pipe hanger to hang this.
Did you bring the new one?
The new what?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You can Teflon up them 90s there. In the yellow container. Phillips in there?
Yeah.
I got loose in the 3-inch pipe hanger here. Poly cutter's inch. Side pot, or yeah, Sam. Yep.
What do you call it?
Poly lolly. Bang. Here you go, put this in the sink. Or you can put this right outside. Make sure you don't spill water like I am. It's full of water.
Where your thumb is?
Yep. Okay. Here's our classic pipe hanger. Alright, here we go.
You put two new filters in.
What's that?
You put two filters in.
One's an extra, a spare thing. You didn't open it, did you?
No.
Don't open that. That's a spare filter. It goes inside. Okay. And what's this here? So what's this go to? Oh, it's an old air switch. We got all kinds of stuff going on here. All right. Alright, there you go. Trash. Alright. This goes to the coffee maker. So, we're going to eliminate this one too, because we already got a new filter. We don't need two new filters on one line. Here we're going to take apart. Alrighty. Where are we trying to get to here? The shelf. The shelf is killing me right here. Our only clear spot, we got to deal with a shelf. Here you go, Angelo. Give me a pencil, please. Ah, here we got a tight spot here, boys. Tight spot. Oh, yeah. Hand me the hammer and the awl. Okay. Not only is this a tight spot, but this basket is in the worst spot ever. You know what I mean? Ah. Okay. Get the starter hole going. All right, there we go. This is Christmas. Okay. Oh, why is that running? Something just opened up on the coffee pot. Give me a rag, dude. There's some rags in my truck.
I got one right here.
Alright, give me a rag. For some reason.
Yeah, I am trying to plug it.
Yeah, unplug the coffee pot. Screw gun. There we go. here we go, pal. Here we go. Let's do this. Okay. Having fun yet? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Alright, let's give this a dry run. I'll hand tighten it when we get it in. Okay, that's pretty simple. I'll tighten it up. Little dishwasher behind here. Pliers. You put pipe dip on, right? Straight out, this one that way. That's the feed. Alright, cool. GE. Alright. Here we go, Angie. Alright, baby. Nice. Quarter-inch compression coupling. Get this line back in service here. Oh yeah. All right. Oh Lord. Oh, don't do me wrong. Oh. So I gotta drop everything. Okay. There's one side. Phew. Oh, beautiful. Gotta see another pair of pliers, Angelo. I'm sorry, I got them right here. Always hold back, you know what I mean? I actually seen Chucky not holding back. I gotta show him. You know? Yeah, but like he was cranking on these supplies. You always hold back, just in case. Top shelf, the little slide out shelf, there's a bag, 3/8 nuts, just like this on the filter, 3/8 compression nuts. Bring that whole bag, I need 2 plastic furls. Do this here little whirly whirl right here. Ah, no worries. We're on it. All right, 5/8 wrench inch. I got it. Put a little mesh on this. Call Chucky up, see if he's good.
Yeah, you're
You good, huh?
nothing outside.
All right. So this is snugged. Okay. That's snugged. Yeah. Uh-huh. All right, let me just there we go. And
That's right.
No, I need a brass one.
Alright.
I'm using brass on brass.
That's some brass.
Alright. The nut. Got it. It's alright. You see the pipe there? Just a little finger smidge on the pearl.
Little plumber strip.
How's my back, if that was the question? Oh, yeah. Alright, now. A little English.
Smart.
Just hit off. I got it was the old car ring, Ange. I know who it is. Whew. Lord, here's the test. Oh. Oh. Right now it's filling up the little tank.
In the filter.
Yeah. Come on. Give it, Daddy.
Is that a little drip?
Yep. We got a little drip. Good eye, plumber. This is why I put a little pipe tip on the pearl. Good eye, good eye. You got a good eye. That restricts the flow, huh? Everything's all the way on. I feel like I'm still getting air. Come on. Throw this stuff away. Boom.
Yes, we got to.
Here, put this back together.
What's going on with it?
Right.
I wish I'd have listened to him 20 years ago, you know? But it's never too late, right?
That's correct. You can't go back and start over and make, and change things, but you can start now and change the ending.
And I'm teaching my kids. That's the most important.
Mm-hmm.
Them guys. Don't make the mistakes I made. All right, you're all set, Dave.
Okay.
I'll be honest with you, the pressure, it knocks the pressure down a little bit, but it's filtered.
Say that again?
This is your hot pressure.
Yeah.
That's your cold. See how it knocks down a little bit?
Uh-huh.
Because it's going through the filter. Just
Not a problem.
No, not a problem at all, but I noticed that. I just wanted to let you know.
Yeah.
All right. We just put the filter in, the GE. The GE water filtration system. And we don't have a happy, satisfied customer right now because it knocked the pressure down too much. So we're going to wait and see. I'm going to make a phone call, which I know I'm wasting my time, and find out why the water pressure was cut in a third. So I can't say we got a happy, satisfied customer. But maybe I'm doing something wrong, which I don't think I am. Anyway, to the next job. Anything? You ain't got nothing.
Let's go.